right from the June onward, as our President said. Today we are planning to conclude it with the Workhouse group of Dubai, with an orchestra group. I take this opportunity to express our thanks to Mr. Ramesh Iyer, the personality, for having accepted our invitation at our short notice. We have commenced in the month of June. From day one, we have been getting good. All the chief guests are blessed us with their own way of blessings and all. We continue, we look after their support in the future years also. I would like to thank all the staff members for their entire cooperation during the Diamond Jubilee years. And we also thank the Venkat and his group of Octavus for having accepted our invitation to give the grand finale today. We are confident that with the support, continuous support, our institution, as Mr. Ramesh Iyer said, will grow further and will be definitely celebrating our Platinum Jubilee and Centenary celebrations over the years to come. Once again, we thank all the members, all the donors, all the advisors, all the scholarship endowment donors for all their help for our school institution. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Where words leave off, music begins. No matter what culture we are from, everyone loves music. Music gives a soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything. Let's soar high with the wings of imagination, with the spirit of soulful music, presenting Octaves Dubai. Octaves, founded by the musically trained and talented Venkata Subramanian family of husband, wife and their 2 children. Driven by passion and a sincere love for music, the family brings a unique simplicity, humility and freshness to the renditions of light, semi-classical and classical music. Octaves has enthralled audiences with their powerful recitals, collectively or individually, across numerous platforms in Dubai and Mumbai. On this special landmark occasion, Octaves will present a stimulating assortment of songs accompanied by music-loving artists from Dubai and India. The evening, titled A Symphony of Musical Gems, is a humble commemoration of Bali Vidyalay's glorious journey over the last 60 years. So, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the spirit of soulful music, Octaves. I request the dignitaries to enjoy the musical show along with the audience. The host for the evening, Mr. Mohan Gopinathan, head of Zee Cinema. And this multifaceted personality is the ex-student of Bali Vidyalaya.
Thank you very much for the kind words. And at the outset, I congratulate the management, the staff, and each and every person associated with this great institution for having completed 60 years. Let's give it up to them for a huge round of applause. Also on this day, I remember the first set of people, the visionaries, who in the year 1955 planted this seed that has grown into a full-blown banyan tree. Give it up to them as well, ladies and gentlemen, for having seen the institution has risen beyond anybody's expectations, and now it can only rise further and further. I also welcome the chief guest, Mr. Ramesh Iyer, and contrary to his experience in this institution, mine has been entirely different. I joined for the 8th, 9th and 10th standard, and believe you me, it just opened my eyes to the all-embracing culture that this institution has. In a way, it represents a mini India in a manner that every person feels secure in this institution that he's going to make it big in life. on this finale, the kind of program that we have envisaged, I think when the first set of communications happened, we thought what would be a fitting finale to this institution, this great institution. We thought since 60 years is being celebrated, let's take people down the memory lane for all the representative songs of the 6 decades of Hindi film music. Because we firmly believe that there are no problem children, there are only problem parents. If you're not exposing children to good music, you do not have a right to comment on the music that they hear at this point in time. So our endeavor will be to take you through all the legacies and the masterful compositions, the great words that have already been embellished in Hindi films. So without wasting further time of yours, let's begin today's event with the invocation of the Lord by all the singers on stage, a humble offering from us to Lord Ganesha.
Good evening, everyone.
चतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदेवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यदलच्छेदे गुरुधर्मसदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्राते गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोप्ताय धीमहि गूढकुल्पाय गन्धमत्ताय भोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गणेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गन्धगीताय गन्धगेयाय गन्धान्तरात्मने गीतलीनाय गीताश्रयाय गीतवादपटवे गीतचलिताय गायकवराय गन्धर्वप्रियपते गायकाधीनविग्रहाय गङ्गाजलप्रलयपते गौरीस्तनन्दनाय गौरीहृदयनन्दनाय गौरभानुसुताय गौरीगणेश्वराय गौरीप्रणयाय गौरीप्रवणाय गौरभावाय धीमहि गोसहस्राय गोवर्धनाय गोपगोपाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गणेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
Ladies and gentlemen, it is just incidental that all the singers are on stage for the very first number. And can I have a huge round of applause when I take their names? Venkat on the far left, his wife Priya, Aarti, Amrita Shri, Usha, ex-student Venkat and Priya as well, and her daughter Maitri, Abhishek, Venkat's son, and Ajinkya. Huge round of applause for them, ladies and gentlemen. And now let me take you back some years back, in fact 60 years back. As I said, the theme of this evening has been set by 6 decades of music. I know that there are loads of films in which we had to choose from, loads of songs, but what we did was to take a representation of that era and also about the comfort of these singers with these musicians. In fact, you should give a huge round of applause to the musicians as well for the wonderful orchestration that they provided. So the very first number that we are going to start this evening, or rather the two numbers are from the same film. It's from a film called Hum Dono. And the songs are Allah Tere Naam and Abhi Na Jao Chhodkar. It was a different era where if three Muslims composed Man Tadpat Hari Darshan Ko Aaye, nobody batted an eyelid. I guess in this quest for commercialism, we've somehow forgotten the humanitarian aspect. We will try to revive all those to the wonderful numbers in this Odissi. So presenting to you Allah Tero Naam and Abhi Na Jao Chhodkar.
La
next song.
Check.
He might have made his debut in the early 1950s, but the image makeover, as we know as a term right now, was in the film called Tumsa Nahi Dekha. Stripped off his mustache, pulled back his hair, got an Elvis Presley kind of cut. And this movie, which stamped his authority as the rebel star of the 1960s, in fact, he redefined the generation of the decade from 1960 to 1970. We're talking of Shammi Kapoor, and the next song is from a film called Jangli. Ehsaan Tera Hoga Mujh Par, sung by Ajinkya.
एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर, दिल चाहता है वो कहने दो मुझे, तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है मुझे, पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो। एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर, दिल चाहता है वो कहने दो मुझे, तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है मुझे, पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो। एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर। तुमने मुझको हंसना सिखाया, हाँ, तुमने मुझको हंसना सिखाया, रोने कहोगे रो लेंगे अब, रोने कहोगे रो लेंगे अब, आंसू का हमारे गम न करो, वो बहते हैं तो बहने दो मुझे, तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है मुझे, पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो। एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर। चाहे बना दो चाहे मिटा दो, हो चाहे बना दो चाहे मिटा दो, मर भी गए तो देंगे दुआएं, मर भी गए तो देंगे दुआएं, उड़ उड़ के करेगी खाक सनम ये दर्द मोहब्बत, सहने दो मुझे, तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है मुझे, पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो। एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर, दिल चाहता है वो कहने दो मुझे, तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है मुझे, पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो। एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर।
Just to brief you on Ajinkya, he is one of the favorite disciples of Sri Suresh Wadkar. Give him a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And Venkat, Aarti and Abhishek are his students. This was the era in which each of the playback singers was attached to a hero. Be it a Mukesh to Raj Kapoor, a Mohammad Rafi to Dilip Kumar or Devanand, or a Kishore as well. But such was the competition that a guy as talented as Manna Dey couldn't get many songs with the leading heroes of that generation. But whenever he sang, he made sure that that song was memorable. Presenting to you Laga Chundri Mein Daag from the film Dil Hi To Hai, Manna Dey on Raj Kapoor.
चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं कैसे लगा चुनरी में दाग चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं कैसे घर जाऊं कैसे लगा चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं कैसे लगा चुनरी में दाग हो गई मैली मोरी चुनरिया कोरे बदन सी कोरी चुनरिया हो गई मैली मोरी चुनरिया कोरे बदन सी कोरी चुनरिया जाके बाबुल से नजरें मिलाऊं कैसे घर जाऊं कैसे लगा चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं कैसे लगा चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं कैसे लगा चुनरी में दाग भूल गई सब वचन दिला के हो गई मैं ससुराल में आके भूल गई सब वचन दिला के हो गई मैं ससुराल में आके जाके बाबुल से नजरें मिलाऊं कैसे घर जाऊं कैसे लगा चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं कैसे लगा चुनरी में दाग
Now going on to the representative medley of 55 to 65. We have two songs sung by three sisters. If ever a family defined playback singing, it was the Mangeshkar family. So we have songs sung by Lata Mangeshkar, Asha Bhosle, and Usha Mangeshkar. The songs are Lag Ja Gale from Wo Kaun Thi and Kahe Tarsaye from Chitralekha. So give it up to these three young girls, ladies and gentlemen. They are in school and they're going to sing a 60-year-old song.
Check. Hello? Check.